In mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. So here we have a multiplication. Okay, first 3 minus 1, which equals 2. And 2 squared gives us 4. So 4 times 2, which equals 8. Now 16 divided by this. 16 divided by 8, which equals 2. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here first we have to do this parentheses. After this parentheses, we have to do this exponent, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong, because we have to work from left to right. Multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. Okay, so first these parentheses. Inside these parentheses, we have 3 minus 1, which equals 2. Now we have 16 divided by 2 squared times 2. In this step, first we have to do this exponent. 2 squared gives us 4. So 16 divided by 4 times 2. Now we have one division and one multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong, because as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So now we have to do this 16 divided by 4, which equals 4, and 4 times 4 gives us 8. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 8.